Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term snow bunny. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, snow bunny is a person, often a woman, attracted to or fond of skiing or snowboarding culture. People use it when talking about someone who loves spending time at snowy ski resorts. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Snow bunny first showed up in mid 20th century ski culture. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among winter sports enthusiasts. Now let's check out how to use snow bunny in a sentence. Correct example 1. She's such a snow bunny, always booking trips to ski resorts every winter. Correct example 2. I didn't expect him to be a snow bunny, but he loves hitting the slopes every season. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said snow bunny at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using snow bunny right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Snow bunny means a person, often a woman, attracted to or fond of skiing or snowboarding culture. It started in mid 20th century ski culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Snow Bunny in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.